Here we are going to start our unit 3rd from Beehive book. The name of the chapter is The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. Now let us know something about Catherine Mansfield. Catherine Mansfield is New Zealand's most internationally famous author. She was a writer of short stories, poetry, letters, journals, and reviews. She was a rebel and a modernist who lived her short life of 34 years to the full. Born 14th October 1888 in Wellington. Works written in a German pension and so on. Nationality New Zealand. Dear students, this was all about Catherine Mansfield. Now let us discuss something about the chapter The Little Girl. The story is of a little girl named Kezia. How her feelings changes from fear to understanding regarding her father. She used to live with her family, her father, mother and her grandmother. She was very fond of her grandmother. Rather, she used to be very afraid of her father and she could not speak even a single word in front of her father. She used to feel very happy or relieved when her father used to go out for the work. She was so afraid that she used to stutter in front of her father. Now, her grandmother wanted that she should develop a better understanding with her parents. So she used to send her down in order to spend time with her parents. But when she used to come to her drawing room, she used to find that her father was sleeping on the sofa, whereas her mother used to read the books. That means she found that her parents had a complete indifferent attitude towards her. One day, her grandmother informed her that there is a birthday of the father. She was so excited and wanted to gift him something. So she thought of a pincushion. She stitched the three sides of the pincushion and wanted something to fill in it. When she did not find anything, she went into the room of her mother and saw some fine papers lying on the bed table. She took those papers and tore it and filled it in the pincushion and then stitched the other side also. She was very excited to present that pincushion to her father. One night, there was a hue and cry in the house. Everybody was looking for something important which the father was not able to find. And those were the papers of the speech which Kezia had torn. Kezia had accepted her mistake. When she was asked, she had accepted her mistake. But then too, the father had bitten her on her palms. She was really very upset, cried bitterly, and she had remarked that why God had made father. Now, one evening when she was out of her house, she saw that her neighbor, Mr. McDonald's, he was playing with his 5 children. They were very happy and they were enjoying the evening. Looking at Mr. McDonald's, she came to know that there are different kind of father. Some fathers are loving and caring, whereas the other fathers, like hers, was a cruel or a rude father. Now, one day, the mother of Kezia had to be taken to the hospital and grandmother had to accompany her. She was left all alone with a cook. The day was all fine for her. But when night approached, she became a little disturbed. She went to sleep, but in the middle of the night, she woke up because she had seen a terrible nightmare. Now she started screaming and crying, weeping bitterly. Then she saw that her father was standing beside her. He took Kezia into his arms and took the girl to his room, made her feel comfortable and asked Kezia to rub her feet to his legs so that she can feel comfortable and she can sleep. Very soon she observed that her father was really having a big heart, a person who is caring so much for his daughter. Now she had totally changed her perception towards father. She said that everyone is not same. My father had to go out and had to work so hard that he don't behave like Mr. McDonald's. But then too, he had a big heart. Dear students, here comes the end of the story. The message that we get from this chapter is that parents scold the children for their betterment. The story also revolves around the little girl and the episodes that she experiences in the house, which changes her perception, total perception from fear to understanding. We should know if parents are schooling us, it is for our benefit and they love us to the utmost. Dear students, I hope you have understood the summary of the chapter. So please read the chapter properly. In the next video, we are going to meet with the question and answer. Till then, do read the things, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.